Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great and having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to ask you a simple question. If you lost everything tomorrow, your job, your money, and all your connections, and had to start from zero in 2027, what would you learn first? The world is changing faster than ever, and the skills that made people successful yesterday may not be enough tomorrow. If I had to rebuild my life from nothing, I would focus on only 3 skills. These aren't just skills that make money, they create opportunities for life. Let's dive in. The first skill I would learn is AI automation. We are entering a new era where businesses want to save time, reduce costs, and work faster. AI can now write emails, answer customer questions, organize data, create content, and automate repetitive tasks. The people who know how to use tools like ChatGPT, N8, Enigmatic, and Zapier will become incredibly valuable. The best part is that you don't need to be a programmer. You only need curiosity, practice, and the willingness to learn. Think about it this way: AI won't replace everyone, but people who know how to use AI will replace people who don't. Learning AI today is like learning how to use the internet 20 years ago. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage will be. The second skill I would learn is communication and sales. Many people think selling is about convincing others to buy something they don't need. That's not true. Great sales is about understanding people's problems and offering real solutions. No matter how talented you are, if you can't explain your value, people will never know what you can do. Imagine 2 freelancers with the exact same skills. One confidently speaks to clients, explains his ideas clearly, and builds trust. The other stays quiet because he's afraid of rejection. Who gets more opportunities? Most of the time, it's not the most talented person, it's the one who communicates better. Learning how to speak, write, negotiate, and build relationships will always be one of the highest income skills because businesses are built on trust. The third skill I would learn is content creation. Every company, every business, and every personal brand needs content. Videos, articles, social media posts, and stories are the way people get attention today. If you know how to create valuable content, you can build an audience, attract clients, sell products, or even start your own business. The amazing thing is that creating content has never been easier. With AI tools, a smartphone, and a laptop, anyone can start. You don't need expensive equipment, you just need consistency. So why did I choose these 3 skills? Because together, they create an unstoppable combination. AI helps you work faster. Communication helps you create opportunities. Content creation helps the world discover you. These skills work together, making each one even more powerful. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting. They spend months watching videos, planning, and saying they'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next month, then next year. Remember this: watching tutorials won't change your life. Practicing what you learn will. Imagine spending just 1 hour every day learning one of these skills. After 1 year, you'll have more than 365 hours of focused practice. That's enough to completely transform your future. You don't need to know everything before you begin, you just need to take the first step. If I had to start from zero in 2027, these are the only 3 skills I would focus on: AI, automation, communication and sales, and content creation. Money can disappear. Jobs can change. Technology will continue to evolve, but the skills you build stay with you forever. They become assets that no one can take away. So start today. Learn a little every day. Improve 1 step at a time. 1 year from now, you'll either be grateful that you started, or you'll wish you had. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next lesson. Remember, your future isn't created by luck. It's created by the skills you choose to learn today.